Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print your resume directly from Indeed, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Indeed account using your credentials. This will give you access to your profile and all your saved documents. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your profile and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Profile. This will take you to your Indeed profile page where you can view and manage all your personal information, job applications, and saved resumes. This is essentially your dashboard for everything related to your job search on Indeed. Once you're on your profile page, you'll be able to see your resume displayed on the screen. Indeed allows you to store multiple versions of your resume, so make sure you're looking at the one you want to print. This makes it easy to access your resume whenever you need it without having to search through your computer files. Now locate the three dots icon next to your resume. This is the options menu that gives you several actions you can take with your resume. Click on these three dots and from the menu that appears, select Download. This will initiate the download process for your resume. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the file format for your download. Click on PDF to download your resume in PDF format. PDF is the ideal choice for printing because it preserves all your formatting, fonts, and layout exactly as you designed it. This ensures your resume looks professional and consistent when printed. After the PDF has finished downloading to your computer, go ahead and open it. You can do this by clicking on the downloaded file in your browser's download bar or by navigating to your Downloads folder and opening it from there. The PDF should open in your default PDF viewer. Once the PDF is open, look at the top right corner of the PDF viewer window and click the print icon. This icon usually looks like a small printer and is a standard feature in most PDF viewers. Clicking it will open the print dialog box where you can configure your print settings. In the print dialog box that appears, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Destination. Click on this drop-down to view all available printing options. From the list, choose your actual printing device instead of any virtual options like Save to PDF. This ensures your resume will be sent to your physical printer. Finally, after you've selected your printer, simply click the print button to send your resume to the printer. Your resume will now begin printing with all its formatting intact and ready to be used for job applications or interviews. And that's it. You've successfully printed your resume from Indeed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.